Good morning everyone. So now I am going to solve some questions based on area of some plane figures like area of square, area of rectangle. Clear? So let's start the class with this question. So question number 1. Find the area of a rectangle. Find the area of rectangle. This is the sign of rectangle. Okay, rectangle whose length and breadth are 25 centimeter and 16 centimeter. This is the question. Clear? How we'll solve it? You know, area of rectangle is equal to what? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay. So what is length here? 25 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Both are what? Unit is same. So no problem. Simply we will write 25 into 16. So 25 6 are 150, 0, 15 here. Then 25 ones are 25 and 15. This will be equal to what? 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4. Means 400 square centimeter. So answer will be what? 400 square centimeter. Clear? Now let's do the next question. Now the next question is, the diagonal of a rectangular board is, the diagonal of a rectangular board is, 1 meter, and its length is 96 centimeter. Find the area of the board. Find the area of the board. Okay? This we have to find out. So how we'll solve it here? The diagonal of a rectangular board is, suppose this is a rectangular board. Okay, and then this will be what? Diagonal. So diagonal is what? 1 meter. And here it is given 1 meter and here it is given 96 centimeter. So what we will do? We will change this meter into centimeter. So we can write here 1 meter means what? 100 centimeter. Clear? And its length is 96 centimeter. So length is what? 96 centimeter. Find the area of the board. We have to find the area. Means first we have to find this one. Clear? So how we'll find it? Now I've explained about the Pythagoras theorem. Clear? So according to the Pythagoras theorem, A, B, C, D. Clear? So we will find out what? BC, because area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is given, breadth is not given. So by following the Pythagoras theorem, we will find what? First breadth. Means BC we will find out. So BC will be equal to what? BC will be equal to square root of 100. Means square of 100 minus square of what? 96. Clear? And square of 96 we will find out. So 96 into 96. This will be equal to what? 57. Then here 4, 5, 86. So 6, then 11, 2, 9, 2, 1, 6. So 9, 2, 1, 6 here. And square of 100 is 10,000. Clear? Now, so when we will subtract, what we will get? When we will subtract, we will get, we'll do the subtraction. So 784. Clear? So here it is what? Square root of what? 784. This is BC. Clear? BC is what? Square root of 784. And then now we have to find out the square root of what? 784. How we will find out? So I am drawing this one because we know we have to find out the area. Okay. So I am doing it here. So 784. So 2 3s are 6. 1 here. Then again 2 1s are 2. 18 12. Then 2 9s are 2 8s are. Again 98. So 2 4s are. And then 7 into 7. Clear? So what we have? We have 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 we got. We will write here. And 2 times 7. 7. Clear? So we will make a pair. This is the method by which we can find out the square root of any bigger number. Clear? Because I told you to learn till 25. But if you get number like this, it is not possible to learn. So you will find out the square root of this type of bigger number like this. Then you will make a pair. And from each pair, you will take out what? One number. So one pair means 2 here. Again from this 2 here. From this 7 here. 2 2s are 4. Clear? And 4 7s are 28. 28 centimeter. So 28 centimeter is what? 28 centimeter is BC. So you got here 28 centimeter. What you have to find out? You have to find out the area. Now I am going to rub this one. Okay. So now area will be equal to what? Area is equal to length into breadth. So 96 into 28. So now let's multiply 96 and 28. So 2688 square centimeter. Clear? Area, because the unit of area is what? Unit of area is the square of meter or square of centimeter, and here it is given centimeter, so square of a centimeter. Clear? So that is why first I explain about the Pythagoras theorem, because here you have to use the Pythagoras theorem. And I know the concept of the Pythagoras theorem is very much clear to all of you. Okay. So now let's do the next question. Now the next question is, the sides of a rectangular park are, the sides of a rectangular park are in the ratio 4:3 if its area is 1728 square meter. Find first its perimeter. Yeah. And second, cost of fencing it. Cost of fencing it at the rate of 1 rupees 40 per meter. Rupees 40 per meter. Clear? Rupees 40 per meter. So let's solve it. So the sides of a rectangular park are in the ratio 4:3. If its area is what? 1728 square meter. Find its perimeter. Anyway, so first we have to find out length and breadth. Then only we can find out the area or perimeter or whatever. So first, length and breadth is not given clearly. It is given in the form of ratio. So first we'll find out that. So how we'll find out? We know area. Area is what? 1728 is equal to, let the ratio be x. Then it will be what? 4x into 3x. So we can write what? X square is equal to 1728 divided by 4 into 3. So now cut it. Clear? Then is it possible? Let's try. 3 ones are 3. Then 1 here. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay. So what we have? X square is equal to 144. Means x will be equal to what? And square root of 144 is 12 meter. Clear? So this is the this is what? This is x is 12 meter. If x is 12 meter, then length will be equal to what? 12 into 4, 48 meter. And breadth will be equal to what? 12 into 3, 36 meter. Clear? So if this is, then the perimeter is asked. First is what? Perimeter. So perimeter will be equal to what? You know the formula. Perimeter is equal to 2L plus B. So 2, what is L here? 48. And what is B here? 36. Clear? So this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 2 into 84. Okay. So here it will be 168 meter will be the perimeter of rectangular park. Clear? Now the next one is cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 40 per meter. Per meter means what? I have discussed earlier also. Per meter means this cost you will multiply with the perimeter. If it is written per square meter, means you have to multiply the cost with what? Area. But here it is given per meter, means you have to multiply cost with perimeter. So let's do that. So here this is sub part 1. Clear? Now sub part 2 I am doing it here. So 40 into what? 168. And so this will be equal to rupees 6,000 what? Rupees 6,720. Okay, this will be the answer. Okay, now let's do the next question. A floor is 40 meter long. A floor is 40 meter long and 15 meter broad and 15 meter broad. Okay. It is covered with tiles. It is covered with tiles. It is covered with tiles, each measuring 60 centimeter. Each measuring 60 centimeter by 50 centimeter. Find the number of tiles required to cover the floor. Find the number of tiles required to cover the floor. Okay. Now, so a floor is 40 meter long and 15 meter broad. 40 meter long and 15 meter broad, and it is covered with tiles each measuring 60 centimeter by what? 50 centimeter. Find. Means we have to find out the number of tiles to which can cover the entire, means the whole floor. So how we'll find out number of tiles? So this is the formula. Number of tiles is equal to what? Area of floor by area of each tile. Clear? So area of floor is what? Area of floor is 40 meter and 15 meter, and it is given here in centimeters. So what we will do? We can change meter into centimeter. Clear? So 40 into 100. Clear? This is means this you have changed 40 meter into centimeter, and then again 15 into 100. So this you have changed in centimeter, and here already it is given in centimeter. 60 into 50. Clear? So this and what? 20 here. So 20 we can, or let it be this one. Remove this 0. Okay. Then again 5 here. 5 3s are 15, and 6 here. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 0. Then 3 and 3 cancel. So what we have? We have 2000. 20 here, 10 here. So 2000 tiles. This is the answer. Clear? So this is the formula that we use to solve this type of a question. That the number of tiles is equal to area of the floor divided by the area of each tile. Okay. Let's do the next question. Clear? The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are. The length and breadth of rectangular piece of land are in the ratio 5:3. Clear? 5:3. If the total cost of fencing it, if the total cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 24 per meter, rupees 24 per meter is rupees 9,600. 9,600. Find its length and breadth. Find its first length and breadth, and second area, and third cost of leveling it. Leveling at the rate of cost of leveling at the rate of rupees 60 per square meter. Rupees 60 per square meter. Okay, this is the question. Now, how we will solve it? So, the length and breadth of a rectangular park are in the ratio, what? 5:3. If the total cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees this per meter is this one. Clear? So, this is very important. Means we will write first rupees 20 per meter. Clear? So means perimeter, it is related with water, perimeter. So we will write first that rupees 24 is the cost of 1 meter. So rupees 9600 is the cost of water. This will be the cost of 1 by 24 into 9600. Okay. So now how many times? I think 4 fours are 16 and 4 twos are 8 and 1 9. Yes, 24 400. Clear? Means what? 400 meter, and 400 meter is what? Perimeter. Clear? Remember, this is what? Perimeter. So remember this one. Now I am going to rub this one. So remember 400 meter. So perimeter we have got what? 400 meter. Now next is given. What is given here? 5:3. So let the ratio be x. Okay. So we can write perimeter is equal to what? 2L plus B. So 400 is equal to 2L is what here? 5x plus 3x equal to 2 into what? 8x. And so x will be equal to what? X will be equal to 400 by 2 into 8. How many times? And then 25. So here answer with x is what? X is 25. So if x is 25, then L will be equal to what? 25 into 5 means 125 meter. And breadth will be equal to what? Breadth will be equal to 25 into 3. That is 75 meter. Okay? Clear? Till here it is clear? Now, so what we have got here? Now I am going to rub this one. We have got length what? 125. So length we have got 125 meter and breadth we have got what? 75 meter. Breadth we have got 75 meter. Okay. Now next is area. So area will be equal to what? Length into breadth means 125 into what? 75. Okay. So now multiply 125 into 75. Nine 375 square meter. So area is what? Area is this much. Okay. Now what is this? Is a subpart 2. So area we have got. What we have got area? 9375 square meter. Now we have to find out what the rate. At the rate of rupees 60 per square meter. Remember here per square meter. Means we have to multiply this cost with what? Area. Clear? So subpart 3. So 60 into 9375. So now let's multiply. So 6 5s are 33. Clear? So cost will be what? 56,250 answer. Okay. I think all the steps must have become very clear to all of you. Now let's do the next question. Find the area of the square. Find the area of the square. Find the area of the square whose perimeter is whose perimeter is 56 centimeter. Clear? This is the question. Find the area. Area we have to find out. And you know area is equal to what? Side square. Clear? Area is equal to side square. We don't know side. Clear? Perimeter is given and perimeter is equal to what? 4 into side. Okay. So here it is given 56. So we can write 56 4 into side. And so side is equal to what? Side is equal to 56 by 4. 14 centimeter. So side is 14 centimeter, then area will be equal to what? Square of 14. 196 square centimeter answer. This is very easy. First you find out the side and then you find out the area. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Find the area of shaded region. When you get this type of question, then how will you solve? Find the area of shaded region. Clear? This is the question. This is 40, this is 40, this one is 40, this one is also 40. And here it is given, here it is given 32 and then 15. Okay, how we will solve this type of a question? And this part is what? This part is shaded. Clear? Here it is given 32 and here it is given 15. So from the number, clear, from the numerical value that is given here, it is clear that this part means if first you name this one, ABCD is a square and DEFG, this is what? Rectangle. So how will you find out the area of shaded region? So first we will find out the area of what? A square. And then we'll find out the area of rectangle and then we will subtract. Okay. So we will write like this. Area of ABCD is equal to 40 into 40. That is what? 1600. If it is given in centimeter. So centimeter square. Then we will find out area of DEFG, and this is what? Rectangle. So 32 into 15. So square centimeter. Then we will write area of shaded region is equal to 1600 minus 480. Okay, and this is what? Centimeter. So centimeter, and this will be what? This will be the answer. Clear? So when you get this type of question, always you find the area of the outer part, area of the inner, area of the outer plane figure, area of the inner plane figure, and then you subtract it. Clear? So this much is only for this video. I hope all the questions must have become very clear to you. Clear? And all different types of questions based on this topic I have solved. So thank you very much for this class.